Hey, good evening, folks. Sorry about not getting back to you on the dish that we were cooking there. The ribs and potato salad. One, I ate about half of them before I even got them plated. Two, my special guest, was not able to make it, Mr. Green Jeans, which I hope he's feeling better now. And three, I just got back to it. So here's the plate. I must say I need to improve on doing a better presentation of a plate. But anyways, here we go. We'll just set that right there. We'll look at it this way. And then we'll look at it here. And then we'll look at me eating it. It was absolutely delicious. I enjoyed it. I just missed sharing it with some friends. People get so tied in with what's going on, or sickness lately these days with the flu and stuff like that going on. I'm glad that I'm staying nice and healthy. But anyways, what I have here is, let me just switch over. Okay, just on the black background, it's not so hot. Okay, here we have a wonderful mixture of potato salad, local potatoes, local eggs, not as local as I could get them, but they are local. 3 different types of mayonnaise. So they've got unique sauce, and we also have artichokes here. We'll be having those a little later on. I like those for dessert myself. And mix some relish pickles in it. A little bit of pecan crushed, and some wasabi. And I would say we did some safflower, but I don't believe I did that correctly, so I'm going to not put that on the menu. And then for our ribs here, these are absolutely delicious. We're done with a Grace's rub. And then come out right and chewy. Quite delicious. You see all the lights here in the back. I've been filming in the kitchen. But, that is quite tasty. Quite tasty. Anyways, I'm going to sit down by myself, have my little meal, and enjoy. And hope you guys enjoy out there. The ribs came with a Grace's special mixture of rub. And then since I dried them out at the very end too much, what I did is I mixed my special barbecue sauce. Now, you can buy it, and it's actually, the only place I've seen it so far is over at World Market. I'm going to show you a bottle of it. That is some of the best barbecue sauce I've ever had. Rufus. This was a Christmas present from a friend. I must return the favor to him. But anyhow, as you can see, dishes always piling up, stuff to do. I'm going to bid you a farewell and bon appetit for all you Italians out there. So, our next venture will probably be a meatball and spaghetti. And I think I'm going to do the meatballs in a white cream sauce or a cheese sauce. And I'm having Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. But anyhow, it's been a long day. And I'll look forward to seeing you here in the future. And my little brother is doing real well. And he should